To increase the font size for the display of text in BibleWorks, you may do the following. On the main BibleWorks menu, select Tools and then choose Options. In the General section, click on the Fonts option. Notice that there are three options under Select Font Set to edit. The option to change the fonts for Search Window fonts, for Browse Window fonts, or Export fonts. In many cases, one may only wish to change the Browse Window fonts and perhaps the Analysis Window fonts. To do so, make sure you click on the Browse Window Fonts radio button. Now notice the Font Set section. You have a list of the fonts that are available for various languages, also the size, the style, and then the AW, which means Analysis Window. So under Browse Window Fonts, if you wish to increase the size for the Browse window, use this column here indicated by size. Let's change our English, Greek, and Hebrew to increase by a point size of 2 from the default settings. You can repeat this process till you have the font set to your liking. So with just the size column changed for the Browse Window fonts, I'll click OK. And notice the dialog box here that notes that you must exit and restart BibleWorks for the changes to take effect. Click OK here, then exit and restart BibleWorks. And my font size has increased. But notice that the Search Window and the Analysis Window fonts remain the same. So if I wish to increase my Analysis Window font size, I'll again go to Tools, Options, under General choose Fonts, click the Browse Window Fonts radio button, then using the column AW, I'll increase my point size as well. Click OK, and I can restart BibleWorks, or the change may take effect if you just refresh the window by holding your mouse cursor over a word in the Browse window. And if you wish to increase the font size for the Search window, again go to Tools, Options, choose Search Window Fonts, and increase your point size here. Click OK. Again, we have our dialog box. Click OK there. Then restart BibleWorks. For export fonts, go to Tools, Options, General and Fonts. Click on the radio button for export fonts. If you wish to change the font size for English, you can do so here. However, by default, BibleWorks exports Greek and Hebrew text in a Unicode Greek and Hebrew font, in the SBL Greek font or the SBL Hebrew font, two fonts that are installed when you install BibleWorks. So if you wish to change the point size for those fonts, effect your point size change down here. For export fonts, the point size changes are only affected in these two locations if you uncheck these two options: Export Greek Resources, Analysis Window Lexicons as Unicode, or Export Hebrew Resources, Analysis Window Lexicons as Unicode. When these two items are unchecked, BibleWorks is set to export Greek or Hebrew text. In the choices made here, they are the fonts that are displayed in the Browse window and are the fonts designed for use in BibleWorks. So uncheck these items to export in BibleWorks TrueType fonts, or check these items to export Greek and Hebrew in Unicode fonts.